guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Electro Explorer. Today with me I have the review of the 9 months old Crompton Greaves High Speed 48 inches brown color. Another house. Crompton logo. Just a second. As you can see, it's dirty. See, this is brown color, is awesome. This is the connections, share color and everything. Proper connections by the electrician. See this is the safety screw. This oil water button and everything. This is the globe capacitor. This is a globe 2.25 capacitor, like my high speed. Let me show you the label. See this Crompton High Speed ceiling fan, 1200 mm, 50 Hz, 220 to 240 volts. This thing completely safe, proper installation, original down rod. Brown color looks awesome. This is Solan, has glue capacitor is there. You can see the motor screws are here, 1, 2 and 3. So this is the thing. Oh, looks awesome. This color is slightly pinkish. Solan color is pinkish color. You can see the golden ring, looks awesome. Now this is the fan. Now let me switch this on and let me show you the performance on speed number 5 directly. Also you can see the dust here, how the dust accumulates on the blade. It's really dirty. See this. This is at my other house, other flat, so here it is used a lot by the tenants, people who live here. We have given the house to them to live here. So now let me come down and show you the performance. Speed number 3 or 2. Let me increase it. Speed number 5. It's completely 370 to 380 RPM, very high speed, awesome airflow. Blade angle is also awesome, it's spreading air in every corner that usually HS does not do. So I think that the shank angle by Crompton is increased a bit, so because of that everywhere the air is going. So that's awesome, and I'm really satisfied with this product. So guys, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell me what you think about this fan. I think this is awesome. No cannot express how good it is. Buy it and feel the performance by yourself and enjoy the fan for next 15 to 20 years. It's the best thing. Please buy it. The color choice is yours.